The proposal for putting in a new shutoff valve. The way it is now, you've got this line from the street, comes down and goes up into the laundry room right here. Then there's a valve up there, comes down to the other side. Then this cold water supply comes in here and then feeds the house. Now the proposal is to cut the line here and put in copper anywhere between these yellow tabs, yellow tape, preferably here, because I could replace this whole gray thing with copper then. So the copper would come down here, go here, and then go up into the laundry room in a different spot where it'd be better located. It could go up here between the supply lines. These are the supply lines here and here for the utility sink. And there's a little bit of room here. There's a pipe here, about 2.5 inches. Then there's a beam about 1.5 inches. So it could come either on this side of that beam, between the beam and the supply lines, or there's more room on the other side. The only thing wrong with the other side is that it gets closer to the front of the utility sink where somebody might knock the valve. So that's how you would run the supply from here, copper pipe, up to the utility room. Then come back down from the utility room in one of these two joists, and then go directly to that copper pipe there. All right, so copper to copper right there. So that would complete the circuit of being copper. Now, a couple things here. This pipe here, that's the inflow from the street, would truncate here because you wouldn't have to go back up to the laundry room. So this would be gone, and so would the rest of the blue pipe all the way up to the laundry room would be gone. Then for the down pipe, the pipe that comes down from the laundry room, you wouldn't need that anymore. That could truncate here, but you'd have to truncate it and keep this active because that feeds the new utility sink. All right, so I think that would work. Quick review: copper in from the street here, up and over, up into the utility room. On one side of this pipe or the other, on this side where the supply is, or on this other side of the beam, would go up, come back down, and there'd be a valve up there, and then it would go directly to that copper there. And that would keep everything fed, and you'd have to truncate this, of course, because that's the blue pipe coming down from the utility room, and you'd truncate this here, because that's the part going up. So orange is truncates, yellow is where we're going to tap in copper, and the green is where we're going to tap in the copper going into the system.